let's see if I select this, enter. This will probably just check all the pumps and everything and make sure it's all working. There's a airmatic system, so it probably checks that. Oh, okay, I think the same thing happened. I identified the wrong vehicle. So let's see if I'm not sure what EPB is. EPB is electronic parking brake. I'm not sure what that is. DPF injector. This is probably the fuel injection. Okay, fuel injection. Air conditioner, body stability, engine. Let's see what there is for engine. Diagnostic for Mercedes. Let's read the VIN again. F1 okay, this is up to 2025. F1 okay. So it's running some application for the engine check. ECM. Okay, I think I already ran this check, but let's see if this is the same check. Resetting of sensor adaptation, mixture adaptation, ignition, fuel quantity. Let's see fuel quantity, because this is related to it's probably using more fuel to match the increase in air. Oh, and the quality of the fuel is pure. No, I don't want to do this. So cancel. Don't want to mess with that. Let's go back. Well, I'm gonna look at all these some other times. Probably not. None of these are probably related to voltage. Let's check the voltages. Oh, this is just the battery voltage. DLC. Forget what DLC is, but yeah, 14 volts sounds good. Let's review. Let's see. Benz. Oh, this is probably specific tests. I think that's about it. I'll call it a day. I have to still figure out the cause for those two codes, and it doesn't seem like the mass airflow sensor. And let's see, I had fixed this is also the battery, the brakes thing that I need to figure out. So let's see, there are three malfunctions. Light, I already knew about this. This is related to mirror, the brake. ESP malfunction. Wow, this is a new one. I didn't know what this is. ESP malfunction, visit workshop. Okay, this is a new one. I wonder if this is related to the brakes. ESP malfunction, visit workshop, but it doesn't give an OBD2 error.